कोथिंबीर वडी, वालाची भाजी, and we're going to eat that with bhakri. So masale bhat, the कोशिंबीर. Bhargis are here and the श्रीखंड here.
बहुत अच्छा है सोमनाथची कापा.
हाँ सच्ची अच्छा है.
गुड़ी पाड़वा स्पेशल महाराष्ट्रियन मील प्रिपेयर्ड बाय तेजस्वी.
थिंक मुझे 6 घंटे लगे. किती घेऊ तांदूळ दे ना. तू करशील आता मम्मी. अजून दही लागेल याच्यात. जिरं नाही टाकलं याच्यात आणि कढीपत्ता. मम्मा हे सगळं काढून दे, मग फक्त हे ठेव. भांड दे, केसर पण दे. एका साइडला पाणी आणि टर्न करून मग
आंटी डेफिनेटली नोज हाउ टू मेक भाकरी. नो Look at Tejasvi now giving instructions to her mom on how to make bhakri.
We Marathi people obsessed with कोथिंबीर which is धनिया, obsessed with कड़ी पत्ता. हमारी मम्मियों तो मतलब उनके लिए तो नशा ही है जैसे.
मैं आपकी असिस्टेंट बन सकती हूँ.
Sous chef.
सिखाओ कैसे बनाते हैं. मी पण शिकली मराठी.
Very nice.
Waiting for pimples. My first bhakri ever.
Yes, and it's followed.
And it's followed. Are we going to see a restaurant by you?
कर्ली टेल्स के बिना नहीं चलता कोई रेस्टोरेंट आजकल. I'm not taking that risk. Never. You are the first. महाराष्ट्रियंस में शादी के वक्त ऐसे पियर्स करना पड़ता है.
Your mom also recently hinted at something.
या आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर.
मेरे मुंह में गार्गे और श्रीखंड. Straight from MasterChef to cooking a delectable meal for curly tails. You get everything on Sunday brunch. श्रीखंड पुरी, रेशमाची गुढी, लिंबाचे पान. तुमच्या सर्वांना नव्या वर्षाची हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. गुड़ी पाड़वा का त्योहार महाराष्ट्रियंस के लिए ना सिर्फ एक त्योहार है बल्कि नए सपने और नए शुरुआत का उत्सव भी. इस गुड़ी पाड़वा मैं आ गई हूँ मराठी मुलगी तेजस्वी प्रकाश के गोरे गांव वाले घर में, जहाँ वो 25 सालों से रह रही हैं to enjoy an authentic गुड़ी पाड़वा मील. सुना है कल शाम से कुकिंग चालू है और उन्होंने अपने हाथों से कुछ ऑथेंटिक महाराष्ट्रियन डिशेस बनाई हैं. कोथिंबीर वड़ी, सूरन से काप, मसाले भात, वालाची भाजी, श्रीखंड और घारके हमारा इंतजार कर रहे हैं. और इस मास्टर शेफ मुलगी की सारी डिशेस आर अप्रूव्ड बाय करण कुंद्रा. सो व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर? लवकर चला. Thank you.
Look at you.
You too.
Oh my God,
as
that's
usual.
me.
Everything.
And the tikli, Chandrakol. Oh my God.
I'm so excited. Wait, I've also learned this. गुड़ी पाड़वाची हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
तुम्हाला पण गुड़ी पाड़वाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
I hope I said it right.
You did say it right. You said it perfectly. You look the part. You look
I
more
do,
a
right?
Marathi girl
Thank
than me.
you. Thank
This
you.
is beautiful. I love the whole look, and you have such like nice South Indian like Marathi curly hair also.
Everything mixed.
Amazing.
Full national integration happening. South
Full on.
Indian, Maharashtra.
Yes. I'm so happy you're finally at my house for the first time.
you.
Welcome to my humble abode.
Beautiful home. और
Thank
मुझे बहुत
you.
अच्छे खाने की खुशबू आ रही है.
Oh yeah.
लग रहा है it's गुड़ी पाड़वा. I
Yes.
can smell some delicious food. So what
Yes.
all is happening here?
मैंने बहुत सारी चीजें बनाई हैं.
आपने बनाई है?
मैंने सब कुछ बनाया है. Like from the start to end, मैंने आज का सारा खाना खुद बनाया
It's my
है.
lucky day.
I mean, I'm so happy. और मुझे लगता है कि आपकी वजह से I think I got a chance to also kind of make all of these dishes that I've actually not made before. I knew that a lot of viewers will not believe कि मैंने actually सारा खाना बनाया है अपने हाथों से. इसलिए I've made a vlog
Amazing.
of me shooting the whole thing, so they'll actually believe. And I'm excited for you to try मेरे हाथ का खाना finally.
पहले देखो खाना क्या क्या बना है और अब हम साथ में
Yeah.
मिलकर खाएंगे. बट एनीवे अभी आपको कुकिंग करते हुए हमने मास्टर शेफ शो में देखा है.
of course.
बट अब ये रेगुलर रूटीन घर पर भी हो गया है और इज इट लाइक अ वन ऑफ थिंग?
It is a one-off thing. Especially you were the first time कि मतलब मास्टर शेफ के बाद मैंने किसी के लिए प्रॉपर मील बनाई है.
Wow.
मैं हमेशा घर पे आती हूँ और मैं मम्स कुकिंग, सो आई ऑलवेज थोड़ा सा आके अपना एक तड़का दे देती हूँ. पूरे मील में एक डिश बना देती हूँ. यू द फर्स्ट पर्सन आफ्टर मास्टर शेफ जिसके लिए मैंने एक पूरी की पूरी मील बनाई है फ्रॉम द स्टार्टर टू द डिजर्ट. सो इट्स अ 3 course थिंग. मतलब जिसमें मैंने स्टार्टर्स भी रखे हैं.
3 course महाराष्ट्रियन मील गुड़ी पाड़वा स्पेशल
Yes.
with तेजस्वी at her house It couldn't get better than this.
मैं आपको पहले मेन्यू बताऊं क्या है आज
पहले
का?
आप मुझे अपना घर दिखाओ, क्या
और
क्या
so this
है
is
और
मेरे
कितने
घर में
सालों से रह रहे हो
honestly
यहाँ पर?
मैं यहाँ पर 25-26 सालों से रह रही हूँ। हर साल अपना घर बदलती रहती हूँ, कुछ ना कुछ नया ऐड करती रहती हूँ।
You keep renovating your
I
house?
keep renovating my house.
Okay.
Because the thing is that this is a very old house. I've been living in this house for the last 25 years.
Okay.
और ये बिल्डिंग वाला घर नहीं है. This is a row house.
And it's so rare to find
It's
row
very
houses
rare.
in Mumbai.
It's very
right?
rare to have a house with angan
हाँ.
and car parking inside the house.
I know.
And so this is a new addition to my house.
All
where-
your awards?
all of my awards क्योंकि मेरा जो लिविंग रूम है वो बहुत ऐसे लंबा है rather than बड़ा, so I wanted to divide it into half, so this is
Okay.
like a division that I've made but not completely a division
Okay.
with a rotating like TV. तो अगर आप उस साइड पे देखोगे तो मतलब वहाँ पर डाइनिंग टेबल है जहाँ पर हम बैठ के खाएंगे, तो वहाँ पर भी आप टर्न करके टीवी देख सकते हो.
Amazing.
So these are all of my awards and
Winner Big Boss 15.
बाप रे यार that वो सबसे बड़ा है ना.
I know.
So that's literally that's
But
the
I can
only one.
Such amazing awards. How many years has it been for you, Tejasvi, in this industry?
11-12 years, easy.
11,
Yeah,
wow.
2012 was when I started.
So
हाँ.
last time you mentioned about buying homes, investing
Yeah.
in real
Yes,
estate.
yes.
मतलब घर बहुत सारे तेजस्वी के पास,
Yes.
but you've consciously chosen to stay at the same home
Yes.
for so many years. कोई
Yes.
खास वजह है इस बात?
I mean, मुझे बहुत लोग बोलते हैं that I do have other houses and they're like, how do I say it better
Yeah.
than this house? And I जैसे मुंबई में लोग कहते हैं ना कि जुहू बीच पे घर खरीदना बहुत मुश्किल है.
हाँ.
And I got a house on the Juhu beach, literally there. Like I'm literally neighbors with like Shilpa Shetty and Javed Akhtar and Greenfield Society. That's तो वहाँ
जाएंगे हम एक संडे ब्रंच
But
करने.
that's I've given it out on rent. That's a different thing.
Smart
Everybody-
investment.
Yeah, so everybody is like, why don't you live in that house? It's like you
Yeah.
just get down from the building and you're on the beach. There's like a
Yeah.
private garden and it's beautiful. But that's a house. This is home. This is home. This is like मतलब मेरी मम्मी के किचन और उनका जो कमांड है, और हर साल जैसे हमने इस घर को थोड़ा थोड़ा करके बेटर किया है. How do I say it? Like a lot has gone into this house for me to find it easy, or for me to find it in me to leave it.
lot of attachment.
A lot of
also.
attachment, a lot of work.
Memories
A lot of
also.
work has gone into it, to be honest with you.
Right.
अगर आप इस घर पे भी आओगे तो आपको ऐसे नहीं लगेगा कि वो awkward करके, ऐसे लगेगा कि खुद का, मतलब लोग आके बोलते हैं मैं चाय बना देता हूँ, कुछ है क्या, लेकिन seems like a house that's been lived in.
Right.
Not like untouched.
हाँ,
and
तो
like,
कौन कौन रहता है घर पर?
me, mummy, papa, my brother is here. He's going
okay.
to come here in the evening. So I think you'll miss him. But yeah, my
Okay.
brother lives in San Francisco, पर वो अभी आया हुआ है. So otherwise it's just me, mama, and dad.
But it's also festive period. Gudi Padwa का time है. Good
Yes.
thing your brother is here.
Yes.
What does usually happen on a Gudi Padwa occasion? मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा intrigued और interested हूँ. Sindhis में भी एक होता है चेटी चंद, which is the
You are a
same-
Sindhi?
I'm a Sindhi, yeah.
I love Sindhi food. I'm obsessed with Sindhi food.
I know, it's
I
amazing.
love
So next
sel
time
bhaji,
Sai bhaji,
sai bhaji, and the
Sindhi
rice.
curry.
No, the rice, the onion
Bhukka
rice.
chawal.
The bhukka chawal.
Bhukka chawal.
And the aloo tuk.
Yes.
I'm obsessed with these things. I can just sit and eat this.
Oh my God, I wish I knew मैं आपके लिए
You would have
लेकर
got
आती.
na. I
Yes.
would have shamelessly asked for it also. I'm like
चलो
that.
next time Sunday brunch at my house.
Oh yes.
With you.
Yes, I would love to come.
Yeah. ये बार-बार लग रहा है नथ गिर रही है, but गिर
पर
ही
नहीं
रही
गिरी,
है.
हाँ.
नहीं ना, ठीक
नहीं
है ना.
गिरी,
हाँ. Do you wear नथ?
Yeah. But fake one only because
Okay,
मेरा
नहीं
pierce
है.
नहीं है, और वो कहते हैं कि महाराष्ट्रन्स में शादी के वक्त ऐसे pierce करना पड़ता है, which is like बाप रे, मैं नहीं करूँगी, शायद तभी भी fake ही पहनूंगी. Very scary. पर ऐसे करते हैं.
शादी की बात टॉपिक आपने निकाला, मैंने नहीं.
I'm just saying generally मराठी
अगर आपने
weddings.
टॉपिक निकाल ही लिया है तो बात कर ही लेते हैं इसके बारे में.
Yes.
Because your mom also recently hinted at something.
It is so funny. Thing is that the creatives had asked her to just say it just like that. कि मतलब आंटी आई है तो फिर इसकी शादी कराएंगे तो कब कराएंगे. But it was like there's no such plans or there's no such conversation that we've had or nothing like that कि ऐसा कुछ है.
कोई नहीं, but we are looking forward to it and we are excited.
Okay, thank you.
तो चलो, tell me about गुड़ी पाड़वा.
क्या क्या होता है घर
ओ
पर?
सो गुड़ी पाड़वा इज आवर न्यू ईयर। हमेशा से ही मुझे लगता है कि मैं बचपन से ही फेस्टिवल्स को खाने के साथ बहुत रिलेट करती हूँ। जैसे हमारे घर पे मतलब गणपति आते हैं राइट, बचपन में मैं हमेशा गणपति मतलब एसोसिएट करती थी उकड़ी से मोदक के साथ कि ओह ये सभी मोदक खाने मिलेंगे, या मेरे लिए मार्च मतलब मैंगो सीजन है, लाइक यू नो। सो गुड़ी पाड़वा फॉर अस इज लाइक अगेन लाइक आई कनेक्टेड विद फूड। तो हमारे लिए हम हमारे घर पे श्रीखंड और घारगे बनाते हैं, भोपड़ा से घारगे। भोपड़ा इज
कद्दू?
पम्पकिन, कद्दू
Okay.
कद्दू यू राइट।
Okay.
उसके पूरी घारगे जैसे पूरी होती है।
Really?
हाँ,
कद्दू की पूरी बनती
कद्दू की
है?
पूरी होती है। देखो मैं श्रीखंड के साथ खाना बहुत पसंद करती हूँ, तो हम ऐसे खाते हैं।
Okay.
अब पता नहीं बाकी महाराष्ट्रियंस कैसे खाते हैं। नॉर्मल बेसिक मुझे लगता है कि अस एज महाराष्ट्रियंस वी लाइक वेरी बेसिक पीपल, लाइक नॉट इट फ्लैम्बॉयंट एंड लाइक नॉट वेरी हैवी ड्यूटी खाना, इट्स वेरी सिंपल खाना। जैसे मैंने तो मैं आपको बता ही दूं क्या मैंने क्या बनाया है।
बताओ, आई एम वेटिंग फॉर इट। और
बताइए।
दिखा भी दो,
हाँ
और खिला भी दो।
और खिला
आज मैं आपका खाना टेस्ट करूंगी।
एक्चुअली या एंड यू लाइक अ सीरियस फूड critic.
आई एम एक्चुअली नॉट,
But you are to me, to me you are. So then I will take your opinion very seriously.
Okay.
And तो चलते हैं because I wanted you to have fresh भाकरी। तो मैं भाकरी अभी आपके सामने ही फ्रेश बनाऊंगी ताकि आप गरम गरम भाकरी खाएं।
अमेजिंग लाइव डेमो भी मिलने वाला है ऑफ तेजस्वी कुकिंग। भाकरी
तांदळाची भाकरी इज बेसिकली राइस के आटे की भाकरी which is again healthy. Don't worry.
टुडे आई विल लर्न आल्सो हाउ टू मेक भाकरी।
Yes.
हेलो आंटी, नमस्कार, कैसे
तो
हैं आप?
ये है हमारी कोशिंबीर। अजून दही लागेल याच्यात। हाँ हाँ, मी अजून मैं और दही डाल देती हूँ। ओके, तो ये है हमारी कोशिंबीर। जीरा नहीं टाकला याच्यात आणि कढीपत्ता।
आंटी प्रो बन गई है तेजस्वी। आपको टिप्स दे रहे हैं।
वेरी स्कैर्ड नाउ टू कुक विद मी।
Come
She's
on
like,
now.
I'm serious. She's like, I get scared now. Okay, don't worry.
तेजस्वी इज लाइक इसमें कड़ी पत्ता होना चाहिए, इसमें और दही होना
Because it
चाहिए।
would look better ना, ठीक है। Ready?
ये जो तड़के की खुशबू होती है ना, कि
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
राई का तड़का, व्हाट इज दिस?
This is कोशिंबीर।
ओके
तो कोशिंबीर is कचुम्बर
ओके
but with dahi in it.
ओके
This has a little bit of tomato, onion, cucumber. That's it. And lots of kothambir. Kothambir we are obsessed with. We Marathi people obsessed with kothambir, which is धनिया. Obsessed with कड़ी पत्ता. ऐसे मुझे तो लगता है कि हमारी मम्मियों तो मतलब उनके लिए तो नशा ही है, जैसे इतना हर चीज में कड़ी पत्ता डालते हैं, हर चीज में। तो हमारे लिए सबसे बड़ा नशा है कड़ी पत्ता,
ओके
खोबरा
व्हिच इज कोकोनट,
which is coconut, और शेंगदानेचा कूट, पिंगदाना ऐसा उसका कूटा हुआ,
पीनट्स बट क्रश्ड
Yes. और ठेचा जो मैंने कोथिंबीर वड़ी में डाला है।
अच्छा।
सो कोथिंबीर वड़ी में कोथिंबीर जाता है और ठेचा जाता है, फिर बेसन और बाकी।
और ठेचा होता है ग्रीन चिलीज का पेस्ट along with
नो नॉट पेस्ट, लाइक ग्रीन टी ठेचा हुआ, स्मैश लाइक ऑन अ मॉर्टल प्रेसर और लाइक दैट सिलबट्टा।
ओह
डिपेंड्स।
ये सब आपने किया है?
हाँ, सब किया।
आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ यू एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर
और
डूइंग
मैंने एक्चुअली ठेचा है ना कि मिक्सी में बनाया बिकॉज द टेस्ट डिफर्स। तो ये हमारी ठीक है, ये हमारी कोशिंबीर है। तो ये मैं एक्चुअली वहाँ पर रख ही देती हूँ।
हाँ जी। यू नीड एनी हेल्प? क्या मैं कुछ हेल्प कर सकती हूँ आपकी?
नाही, नॉट रियली। मम्मा हे सगळं काढून दे, मग फक्त हे ठेव आणि मला भांड दे। मी विल स्टार्ट विथ द हे ना भाकरी नो, ठीक है।
भाकरी ऑल्सो यू आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द स्क्रैच, आटा गूंदने से?
हाँ, काय?
आंटी ये मास्टर शेफ में तो अच्छी ट्रेनिंग हो गई तेजस्वी की।
माय मॉम इज सो हैप्पी। बापरे, किती घेऊ? तांदूळ दे ना।
But you started enjoying cooking,
I
isn't it?
have, you know, yesterday it took me 6 hours. I made the whole meal. I started at around 6 and I was cooking till 12 in the night. I have that on the camera.
Oh my god.
Yeah, imagine, like full on.
The entire meal prepared by Tejas.
Yeah.
ऐसा आपने कभी करण के लिए किया है?
हाँ, मैंने करण के लिए of course बनाया है.
अच्छा.
And yesterday he was here.
अच्छा.
So then मैंने 1-2 कोथिंबीर वड़ी उसे फ्राई करके मतलब टेस्ट करवाया था.
हाँ.
So he liked it. It was approved. It was approved by him.
तो राइस का आटा और पानी?
राइस का आटा एक्चुअली वी मेक इट लाइक फ्रेश. वी हैव अ चक्की इन द हाउस.
इन द हाउस?
इन द हाउस. इमेजिन माई मॉम इज वेरी लाइक कुछ ज्यादा ही ऑर्गेनिक. तो दिस इज, मैंने एक ये कटोरी का पानी लिया है. इसी एक कटोरी में मैंने चावल का आटा लिया है. थोड़ा सा पानी गर्म होने के बाद मैं इसके अंदर 1 कटोरी चावल डालूंगी. ऐसे धड़ फास्ट मिक्स करूंगी और उसे ढक दूंगी.
और इसमें मतलब थोड़ा गर्म पानी में ही
थोड़ा
बनाते
गर्म
हैं?
पानी में.
अच्छा. एंड
तो हम लोग इसको कहते हैं कि हम उकड़ दे रहे हैं.
एंड भाकरी जो होता है वो बेसिकली इज लाइक चपाती ओनली, बट इट्स लाइक महाराष्ट्रियंस इंस्टेड ऑफ ईटिंग आटे का रोटी,
ग्लूटेन फ्री.
चावल का रोटी, which is gluten free, very healthy also.
Very healthy.
No wonder Maharashtrians are always very fit.
Really?
Yeah, I think so. Most of the time.
I think like Maharashtrians and South Indians.
South
also, we're
Indians.
very like rice favoring. तो अभी ये थोड़ा सा बॉईल आ गया है हमारे पानी को, तो मैं इसके अंदर चावल डाल देती हूँ, 1 कटोरी पूरा चावल। मैं हल्का सा ना मम्मी
Little bit of salt, हाँ, you
लिटिल
can-
बिट ऑफ पिंक सॉल्ट, क्योंकि हम घर में पिंक सॉल्ट ही यूज करते हैं, नॉर्मल सॉल्ट यूज नहीं करते हैं। तो द राइस एंड दिस थिंग इज हियर
Oh, like अच्छा.
एंड नाउ वी गोइंग टू स्विच ऑफ द गैस।
मतलब एक बॉईल आने पर is when you switch off या बस गर्म होने पर?
गर्म होने पर ही।
अच्छा, यूजुअली आटे को ऐसे हाथ से गूंथते हैं, बट बिकॉज
हाँ,
इतना
but it's
गर्म
hot,
है,
yes,
so you
yes,
obviously can't.
And also we're going to just steam it up for a bit, like in its own steam, in its own heat. अब ये इतना सिर्फ ऊपर से ही किया है ना मैंने,
हाँ हाँ.
तो ऊपर से इज फाइन, दैट्स इट। बिकॉज मैं नहीं चाहती कि इसके अंदर का जो हीट है ना वो पूरा तरह से निकल जाए। आई डोंट वांट दैट। स्टीम को इसके अंदर इंटैक्ट रखने के लिए आई जस्ट यूज दिस ओनली,
ओके,
दैट्स इट। अब इसे 5 मिनट्स के लिए रहने दो,
ठीक है।
ताकि
And
उसका
then?
स्टीम में वो अच्छे से नाइस एंड सॉफ्ट बन जाए।
और इसको हाथ से बनाते हैं ऐसे भाकरी को?
यस, इट्स वेरी क्विक। यू
हाँ.
सॉ ना अभी कितना अभी
Yes.
हो गया। अभी से मुझे उसे नीड करना है।
आज
और
मैं
बनाना
घर जाकर यू हैव नो आइडिया मैं कितना शो ऑफ करने वाली हूँ टू माय मदर इन लॉ कि मुझे भाकरी आती है बनाने।
है। Yeah, it's very easy. You saw ना।
या
Of course, आप तो ऐसे बना लोगे। Because भाकरी आप जैसे बनाते हो वैसे उसे ढक देना is better because
Okay.
then it stays nice and soft. I'm just going to add a little dahi. I've used Greek yogurt. It's all healthy. पर मैंने healthy के वजह से Greek yogurt use नहीं किया है. I like the texture of the Greek yogurt, to be honest.
लेकिन आप हमेशा बहुत हेल्दी खाते हो।
Not really. But like I said, मुझे मेरे
Yeah.
dips और मेरे श्रीखंड और मेरे इसमें रायते में
हाँ,
या
हाँ.
कोशिश में ग्रीक योगर्ट पसंद
पसंद
है
है.
because I love the texture of the Greek yogurt. So like I wasn't really planning on. पर अब मैंने वो राई और उसका तड़का मिक्स कर दिया है. I hope you don't mind because I
don't
wanted
mind.
more dahi.
आई एम गेटिंग फूड, आई डोंट माइंड।
Yeah.
जैसे भी मिले। दिस लुक्स रियली गुड।
See, now it's better. Now it
Yeah.
looks like a koshimbi. See, now I'm happy.
मैं आपकी असिस्टेंट बन सकती हूँ।
Sous chef.
Sous chef,
Yes,
बताओ कोई
I
काम
want
है मेरे
kesar.
लिए?
I want you to take some kesar, put it here, and then place it on the table.
ओके।
मैं एक्चुअली जॉब दे रही हूँ काम्या को। Oh my god. So kesar a little in the center and
Little
then
in
it
the
goes
center.
on the table.
ओके, डन।
पातर. बस.
बस परफेक्ट। ओके, शेफ अप्रूव्ड। Should I take it to the table?
Yes.
Okay.
Or else should we keep it in the freezer? I want
Okay,
it a little
yeah.
harder.
ओके ओके। मला असं वाटतं मी मास्टर शेफ बरोबर आज संडे ब्रंच करते।
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Are we ready with this?
Okay,
or
now
more
the
time?
steam हो गया है. अभी आपने देखा एक छोटी सी कटोरी से कितना सारा आटा बन गया है.
Yeah.
So then-
फ्लफी हो जाता है।
या जब ये थोड़ा सा गर्म है ना तभी मैं इसे थोड़ा सा नीड करना शुरू करूंगी। नीड को क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में?
गूंदना।
गूंदना। हाँ, गूंदना शुरू करूंगी।
और इसके लिए वो चकला बेलन की जरूरत नहीं होती। होती है ना?
हाँ,
Okay,
मतलब बहुत लोग भाकरी ऐसे हाथ से ही तत तत तत
हाँ.
ऐसे ऐसे करके करते हैं, पर मैं रोटी की तरह बनाती हूँ। मतलब
Okay.
मैं ऐसे बेलती हूँ।
ओह, अच्छा.
मैं बेलती हूँ यार। हमारा आटा गूंद के हो गया है। मैं जब ये छोटे छोटे उसके बॉल्स बनाऊंगी तो मैं उसको भी प्रॉपरली गूंदूंगी।
पर वैसे भी घर पर खाना कौन बनाता है?
मम्मी।
अच्छा।
हाँ, so we don't have a cook. We've never
Okay.
had a cook.
Never had a cook.
Never had a cook.
Okay.
We
Need help
just,
with this?
Yeah. We just मतलब mama's always been the one. अभी master chef के बाद I have started helping her,
Okay.
but otherwise no. It's always been like her cooking. And I feel like that's how she likes it. She does not like ऐसा interference in the kitchen.
And you? Do you like interference in the kitchen when you are there in
I like
charge?
help. मुझे
You
help
like
लगा अच्छा लगता है। तो मैं इसको ना गीले मलमल के कपड़े से ढक के रखूंगी
Okay.
ताकि उसका मॉइस्चर बना रहे। और मैंने एक बॉल ले लिया है, कोल कर रही हूँ। तो मुझे रोटी आई लाइक मेकिंग इट ऑन द प्लेटफॉर्म,
Okay.
ऑन अ क्लीन प्लेटफॉर्म ऑब्वियसली।
और आप सीधा प्लेटफॉर्म पर ही बनाओगे?
मैं प्लेटफॉर्म पे बनाऊंगी बिकॉज आई लाइक आटा गूंदना एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट ऑन द प्लेटफॉर्म इटसेल्फ एंड नॉट
Okay.
द रोटी का थिंग बिकॉज इट्स बेटर। और मास्टर शेफ में भी हमें वैसे ही सिखाया था। तो Yeah, it comes out very nice. तवा गरम है?
आंटी सीधा तवे पे हाथ।
हाँ, पता चल जाता है।
तो कभी हुआ है ऐसे बर्न्स और कट्स?
Did you not know about this story?
मुझे I don't know
Master Chef में
about
तो
this
मैंने
story,
अवन में
हाँ।
मेरी सामान रखा
हाँ
और अवन गरम था, so I was like, I'm not gonna touch anywhere, so you know,
Yeah,
और पहली
हाँ।
बार मैं अवन यूज कर रही थी तो मैंने रखा and I obviously thought कि अवन का अंदर का गर्म होता है, so बाहर मेरा हाथ निकालते हुए मेरा हाथ टच हो गया उसके ऊपर वाले साइड को and the whole skin was pushed ahead and then I had this biggest bubble, water bubble
Yeah.
on it. Yeah, it was horrible. Then I'll take a little water. Don't worry, my hand is clean. And then I'll put it a little here. That's
अच्छा,
it.
so एक तरफ पानी डालना है।
Yes.
मैं एक ट्राई करती हूँ, ठीक है?
आप ट्राई कर रहे हो?
हाँ मैं ट्राई करती हूँ। अब आप मुझे अपने असिस्टेंट
Sous chef.
शेफ को दिखाओ कैसे बनाते हैं।
So this is the gola I made for you.
ओह थैंक यू। पर ये पेड़ा थोड़ा बड़ा है नॉर्मल रोटी से, है ना?
Exactly, because it doesn't
Yeah.
have gluten.
Oh
Yes.
no, it broke.
It's okay. You can just stick it together. Looks beautiful, Kamya. I think you're killing it. I think
Yes,
you have it
okay.
in you to be my sous chef.
थैंक यू। पहला पड़ाव पास।
Yes. You're doing an amazing job. और जैसे ही आप डालते हो उसे
बंद करना।
बंद करना है,
Very
otherwise
important.
that's very
मैं
important.
डाल दूँ ये?
Yes.
इसके
Perfect.
बाद
Beautiful,
मुझे-
Kamya. Do it on every corner. Don't miss. कुछ भी
Anything.
मिस नहीं करना है. Have you done this before at anybody's house?
No cooking.
Shut up. Seriously?
This is the first time.
This is the first time?
This is the first time.
I think you've had a lot of your firsts with me with that buggy also.
Buggy ride. That was so much fun.
So much fun.
देखो अभी is it time to?
You can see a little
Flip it?
pimples here, like a little.
Okay.
You know, then you'll understand.
अच्छा अभी
I
हम
think a little more time and then we're good.
we're waiting for pimples in भाकरी।
That's what I call it.
वैसे भी ये full red.
Yes.
Yes?
Good.
Okay.
Very good, Kamya. You're killing it. Good you were not in MasterChef. God knows what I would have done. See, now when it's fullowing, press it here.
Okay.
See, so the whole फूलने वाला goes on the
Oh,
other
wow.
side also. Not bad, yeah. Your first bhakri and it's actually following. That's like a very good thing.
Very encouraging. मैं रोज आऊँ यहाँ पर
Please.
classes के लिए।
Because see, it's on camera. It's a proof. You are a good cook.
Thank you.
I think that's good. I think that's good. फूल
That's-
गई है. It's cooked.
Okay.
Amazing. I'm so proud of my
Thank you
sous
guys.
chef.
My first bhakri ever.
Yes, and it followed.
And it followed. And Chef Tejasvi approves of it.
Yeah, I'm
What
so
more could I
proud
have
of
asked
you.
for?
तू करशील आता मम्मी एका साइडला पाणी आणि टर्न करून मग तेल.
Auntie definitely knows how to make bhakri, no? Look at Tejasvi now giving instructions to her mom on how to make bhakri.
ये मेरी आदत हो गई थी. What should we wash the hand inside?
Yeah, sure. Kitchen has been taken over by curly tails. और कुछ चाहिए आप लोगों को बनाती हूँ. Recipes सारी हमें पता. I can see little bit of pimples also coming. आंटी आपको बहुत instructions देती है क्या तेजस्वी?
सीख रही है।
अभी नया नया सीखी है ना इसलिए शो ऑफ कर रही है थोड़ा। पता चली आई नो बट शी इज डन एवरीथिंग सो ब्यूटिफुली एंड आई कैन सी हर चीज में इतनी डिटेलिंग देख रहे हैं ना। हाँ कि ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऐसा कड़ी पत्ता केसर सो स्वीट।
This is my kitchen.
ओके
जिसमें काम्या has taken over completely. And then this is. Do you want to see my?
नो वेट आई एम बिजी मेकिंग भाकरी।
बाप रे बाप.
ओके वन मोमेंट, ये बन गई है ना देखो।
I think the only bhakri that's followed is actually yours. I'm so impressed.
थैंक यू।
Good, you did not do MasterChef. So the rule is to like always shut it say. That's what I
गुड़ी
think.
पाड़वा मील इज रेडी।
Yes.
पर उससे पहले हम एक छोटा सा हाउस टूर ले लेते हैं।
So अभी house tour, like all of our bedrooms are ऊपर, आंगन is outside. This is just नीचे का whatever you can see is what I'm
So
saying.
this is the place where you usually get ready.
This is
and
my
all.
vanity, as you can see.
Okay,
This is my
nice.
vanity where you can see my makeup table.
Sweet.
My little mandir is here. Anybody comes for trials?
Yeah.
This hanger pe they just like hang it and show. These are the wardrobes. This is my vanity ka like the powder room. the washroom really just like.
Okay, nice. And I
That's
can see
pretty
your
much it.
YouTube play button.
Yes! I have the golden play button also!
Congrats.
So let's eat.
Let's go, finally.
Yes.
What a beautiful spread this
But
is.
it's not everything is here. Mama, masale bhat nahi आला है.
ये खाना बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है. दिस इज गुड़ी पाड़वा स्पेशल महाराष्ट्रियन मील प्रिपेयर्ड बाय तेजस्वी. पहले बारी आती है कोतंबीर वड़ी. ये
And-
चटनी भी आपने बनाई है.
Yes. Apple का छुंदा.
एप्पल का
Because I wanted something मीठा.
ओके.
तो एप्पल के छुंदे में एक्चुअली मेरी फ्रेंड ने मेरी हेल्प की हुई है. Which is like a meetha and tikha chutney I wanted. That is why apple ka chunda. Then we have surnachi kapar,
ओके.
which is this.
Okay.
Which is yam का फ्राइज. इस फ्राई को हम चावल के आटे और रवैये में फ्राई करते हैं. इट्स लाइक सब्स्टिट्यूट फॉर मच्छी.
ओह.
Yeah, so it's going to be very much like a मच्छी फ्राई. If you see the मच्छी जैसे हम फ्राई करते हैं रवे
हाँ.
में, तो this is like a
You know, this is
substitute
the
for
first
that.
time I'm having this. So मैंने
Yeah,
पहले-
yam की fry.
What did you say?
Surnachi
Surnachi kappa.
Surnachi kapar.
Surnachi kappa.
Yeah.
And because it's Gudi Padwa, I assume non-veg नहीं खाते हैं.
Hmm.
No non-veg. And
Which is why?
this is a replacement to that.
Yeah. Nice.
ये बहुत अच्छा है सोरनाची कापा. Please
Right?
मुझे इसका रेसिपी बताओ.
It is so easy. तो सूरन लो, which is like a yam, वो पहले लो. उसे मैरिनेट करो, नमक, थोड़ी सी हल्दी, बहुत सारी लाल मिर्च, जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट. That is it.
That is the marination.
That's it. And then fry it in रवा and चावल का आटा.
Oh, deep fry it or
No deep fry.
No deep
Shallow,
fry, shallow.
Yeah. Like जैसे हम मच्छी फ्राई करते हैं. मतलब हम मच्छी फ्राई भी shallow ही करते
but you know ये भी बहुत अच्छा है.
हैं.
एप्पल का what did you say?
छुंदा.
शुंदा.
वो गुजराती चीज़ है.
Hmm.
I'm going to make you eat वालाची भाजी.
Okay.
कैसे एक्सप्लेन करूँ? वाल पता है आपको?
नहीं.
One of the sprouts.
One of the
Basically, it's a
sprouts.
Maharashtrian वालाची भाजी.
Okay.
जो मुझे पता था कि आपने नहीं खाया होगा. So I wanted you to eat like things you've not eaten before.
Hmm.
तो वालाची भाजी is something we eat. So please have वालाची भाजी and we're going to eat
With
that with
bhakri.
bhakri. जो आपने बनाई है.
Amazing. वालाची भाजी.
Yes.
करण ने खाया ये सब ट्रेडिशनल
He loves this भाजी.
Oh,
He actually loves this भाजी.
Yes.
This is मसाले भात.
Okay.
तो हमारे मसाले भात में है आलू और मटर तो है ही जैसे नॉर्मल पुलाव में होता है, पर हमारे में है बैंगन और टिंडे.
अच्छा इतनी सारी सब्जियां.
इतनी सारी सब्जियां होती हैं. एंड देन द राइस इज मेड विद आवर स्पेशल गोड़ा मसाला. सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी लाइक स्वीट एंड स्पाइसी. ऑब्वियसली वी आर आवर ऑब्सेशन विद खोबरा. आई टोल्ड यू.
Yes.
तो खोबरा एंड कड़ी पत्ता बाय द वे इज इन एवरीथिंग.
Either crushed or garnishing.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Something or the else it will be
चलो
there.
I'll take some मसाले भात.
Please do. Oh हाँ. And with the masale bhat, we have the koshimir.
Okay.
That's the koshimir.
Which I will take in this.
Mama's made the walachi bhaji. That I can't take any credit for.
आंटी ने prove कर दिया who's the boss. So good, yes.
Have you ever eaten?
I've never eaten. This is my first
Okay,
time that I'm
okay.
eating. So which is I'm very happy because you know otherwise वो होता है ना लोगों को सिर्फ लगता है बड़ा पाव बिसल पाव यही है महाराष्ट्र.
You know that's why मैं जब भी मास्टर शेफ में गई थी, I had seen a previous season and I had seen a woman who was a Maharashtrian and she would make a lot of thetsas, right?
Yeah.
And she would make like different kinds of thetsas. And I felt like so many times us Maharashtrians are only like known for like thetsa and like vada pav and misal pav. But we're so much more than that.
Of course.
There is so much more. Like masale bhat like this you must have never eaten. Or even like surnachi kapar. It's like very basic.
Yeah.
Very basic.
There's a lot more.
There's a lot more.
This is lovely. This is
Thank
food
you.
that really touches your soul. और लग रहा है बहुत प्यार से आपने सारा कुछ बनाया है.
Thank you.
तो मैं ये जानना चाहूँगी how did really master chef happen यार? कुछ इंटरेस्ट था आपका कुकिंग में or you just decided कि
Of course मेरा interest था cooking में. I never really took it seriously because I didn't know how to cook. Like, but because of the show and because of the training they gave us, I now know how to cook and I'm so confident of my flavors that now I can just cook. And like my love से भी ज़्यादा I feel respect for food has gone up tenfolds. Flavors and smell are the biggest memory triggers, right? Like if like people when they start aging, they start losing their memories now. So then flavor and like smell is what reminds them of their different things in life.
Absolutely.
And for that, like, it can be a memory, it can be such a good trigger, it can be like a happy memory, and there's so much you can give through a plate and through food to another person. And I've always loved feeding people. I just never knew how to. Now I know how to, which is such a big thing that I think the show has given me. So I'm very happy that I did a show like MasterChef.
And so much so that विकास खन्ना ने आपकी एक डिश और रेसिपी अपने रेस्टोरेंट में, which is in New York, he started that. How did that happen? Tell us more.
It's not just a restaurant. It's a Michelin star restaurant.
Exactly, yeah.
A Michelin star restaurant has my dish in it. Imagine, मतलब मुझे कैसा लग रहा होगा इस वक्त. And not only does he have that dish on the menu there, he also has been getting these customers who've been coming just to eat that.
Now we can't go to New York, ठीक है? तो आप
नहीं.
अगर बताओ हम कैसे हमारे घर पे ये जो स्टार डिश आपकी है,
Oh yeah,
how
I could
can
have
we
made
make
that
it?
today.
कोई बात नहीं.
Next time. Again, वो भी एक इंडियन डिश है जिसे मैंने एक बॉम्बलिनी इंटरनेशनल ट्विस्ट देके, एक इंडिया के हमारे आप्पे, महाराष्ट्रन आप्पे, साउथ
Okay.
इंडियन डोसा, नेपाली सेसमी की चटनी with a butternut squash sauce, which again is like international thing, and I've given it like a bombellini. तो मैंने पूरे इंडिया को एक इंटरनेशनल ट्विस्ट देके उस डिश को represent करने की कोशिश की, and I like the fact that chef liked it. वहाँ पर रेस्टोरेंट में आके वो छोटी बच्ची कह रही है कि मैं तो तेजू की डिश खाने आई थी, वो आज मेन्यू में है कि नहीं है. Like the people are literally coming to eat that dish, and it's like I love the way Chef Vikas has promoted my dish.
The Koshambir is also amazing.
Thank
and
you.
the masala bath.
You really liked it?
Loved it. What do you enjoy doing more? Reality shows या आपके जो normal acting वाले होते हैं, fiction based?
Obviously acting shows now.
Yeah.
I mean, I am an actor.
I feel like even reality shows give you an opportunity to show your real self. People know Teju then, and not with any of your characters.
Of course, I love doing reality shows, and I love the love that I get through reality shows, and I love the things I get to learn through reality shows. Like, this is something I've learned, and it's huge, and I'm going to take it to another level. I am actually going to use my cooking skills in life, and I'm going to like start something on my own. That's the plan.
Really?
Yeah, so that is the plan. So like a reality show has given me a lot of things in terms of love and exposure and teaching. But if ever I was given an option कि मतलब I'm getting a reality show and an acting show, I will choose the acting show any day. I am an actor at the end of the day, and that's the reason I came into the industry.
So that's
yeah.
what you enjoy
I'm very
the
clear.
most.
Yeah, I'm very clear over there. Yeah.
अच्छा चलो मैं आपको कुछ डिशेस के नाम दूंगी. मेरे को आपको फटाफट बताना है उसमें क्या 5 इंग्रेडिएंट्स जाते हैं.
बाप रे.
ठीक है?
Okay.
अब ये होगा आपका रियल टेस्ट.
Not tricky.
पूरन पोली.
गेहूं का आटा, गुड़, चने, कार्डमम, थोड़ा सा सौंठ.
ओके. मोदक.
चावल का आटा, गुड़, खोबरा, कार्डमम एंड ड्राई फ्रूट्स.
श्रीखंड. ये तो आपने बनाया भी है आज.
हंकर्ड, केसर, पाउडर शुगर, cardamom, sorry cardamom, and whatever flavor.
Dry fruit also you put.
Dry
I
fruits.
saw.
Yeah, dry fruits.
Oh, is it?
Bhargis are here.
wow.
And the Shrikhand is here.
This is our dessert.
Yes. I would have liked the Shrikhand to be more thicker. Because I mixed it with Greek yogurt and a little hunker, तो Greek yogurt थोड़ा पतला वाला.
मतलब अभी बहुत ज़्यादा particular हो गए हो आप.
हाँ, मतलब थोड़ा better texture हो सकता था. थोड़ा better texture हो सकता था.
मतलब
But the taste is so good.
The taste of everything I'm eating today is
It's
really
so good, yeah.
But now I think you've become more of a food critique. हर चीज़ को इतना technically ये इसका ऐसा हो सकता था, ये वैसा हो सकता था.
I think I'm guilty as charged. Guilty as charged.
Okay, let me give you some food choices then. Puran puri or Shrikhand puri?
Oh, so tough. पहला ही आपने तटक. ठीक है, चलो श्रीखंड पूरी.
Okay, we have that today. Misal pav or usal pav?
Misal, because I like a little unhealthy farada on top of it.
झुनका भाकरी और पितला भाकरी?
और पिटला भाकरी.
सोल कड़ी और छाछ?
सोल कड़ी, any day.
Yeah.
Any day. What? There's no comparison.
उकडीचे मोदक और फ्राइड मोदक?
No, उकडीचे.
उकडीचे. कांदा पोहा और बटाटा पोहा?
कांदा पोहे. बटाटा पोहे is more Gujarati.
गुड़ी पाड़वा की मिठास या दिवाली के फरल का स्वाद?
I think Diwali is more loud, like more flamboyant
Yeah.
in comparison to Gudi Padwa. Gudi Padwa is more simpler and
More of a home affair and family
yes,
coming together
yes.
and
So I
celebrating.
think I'll go for Diwali क्योंकि उसमें थोड़ा ज़्यादा ऐसे झामे होते हैं, बेसन के लड्डू, करंजी, चकली, you know, थोड़ा I like Diwali सा फरार.
So Karan is of course Punjabi. You are Maharashtrian.
Yes.
Which Punjabi dish do you really like? Or is there any?
It would be so mean if I said none. Like, of course there is. No, because you gave me that option. You gave me that option. You said that, is there any? Like, yeah, there is.
There is, no? Okay. It's okay.
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can stick true to your roots and only like
Only
Maharashtrian
Maharashtra.
food.
No. My most favorite thing is बैंगन का भरता. I can eat that like thrice a day, every day. Like that's how much I love बैंगन का भरता. And we as Maharashtrians also have something very similar to that. We call it वांगीचं भरीत.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's pretty similar. I somehow like the बैंगन का भरता.
करण को आपकी कौन सी बनाई हुई डिश सबसे ज्यादा अच्छी लगती है?
I think सब कुछ ही. Because the thing about him is that he wants me to cook every day, आजकल, and he wants me to make chicken only, and healthy chicken, and every day it has to be different chicken,
Oh.
which is such a pain in the, you know.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. So yeah, it's tough, but I keep coming up with like different things, and I make.
You've been innovative with your chicken recipes
Yes.
also then.
Yes. I have
Protein, right? I think that's
Protein,
why he
that's
wants.
why he wants, yeah.
Okay.
And then he wants the breast piece also to be like nice and soft and juicy, which is so tricky.
But I'm sure you get there.
Yeah, I do
You
get
do.
there. Yeah.
Okay.
But it's like every day coming up with something and then he's very like kal kuch alag, kal kuch alag, kal kuch alag. So that's tough.
So what about him? Does he like to cook?
Mm.
No. Okay. So if I may ask you, what does success really mean to you?
Success, I think, is very subjective. To me, it's like to just be at a better position than where you started, and that truly has been my graph. And I am there right now. Like I am at a better position than where I started from.
Do you also feel a bit insecure about not getting opportunities sometimes?
Of course, I do feel insecure in terms of the opportunity that I do get, because there's like very little opportunity that I get in comparison to the other people. I feel like in comparison to them, a lot more people would want to watch me, and I know that for a fact. So I'd rather be in a place where I'm loved, where I'm appreciated, where at least I'm not getting trolled for my work. I'd rather be on a smaller screen and be loved than a bigger screen and be hated. That's me.
Do you feel content or do you want to achieve more?
There are so many things that you want to do in life, right? If in terms of like, I love acting, but let's just say my real estate business or my restaurant or like, you know, whatever little I start, that loves me back a lot more. I'm
Yeah.
going to pursue that, because I can't be like leaving all of these things and just sitting at home waiting and sulking and like going into like a different zone altogether. No, I feel happiness is a choice. I'm going to do whatever that actually does pay back all of the hard work that I put in it, and that can be anything.
Are we
Period.
going to see a restaurant by you very soon?
I don't know, because that's a huge commitment.
Yeah.
It's I've just started taking baby steps. It's just been 5 days. आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर.
और मैं तो बोलती हूँ आप महाराष्ट्रियन स्पेशल cuisine का
वही
अगर
करूँगी.
करो,
That's for sure. I have to represent. I have
so
to
amazing,
represent.
yeah.
That's me.
And make sure we are the first guest, okay? Curly
I will.
Tails.
You
Yeah,
have
okay.
to. I mean, do I want the restaurant to do well or no? Hello, curly tails के बिना नहीं चलता कोई restaurants आजकल. I'm not taking that risk. Never. You are the first.
We'll be there for sure to support you.
You're coming for the
whenever you
opening
do
and
it.
you're coming for the tasting also.
For sure,
Yes.
for sure. And when was the last time you cried, Tejasvi?
I think I cried when I really felt like I had got a role. I was signed by a very big agency. The poster came out with another person's name.
And no information given to
No
you?
information given to me.
Is that common?
No, it's not. I was shook. I was like, what? And they're talking about like sending me the contract, and they're just like figuring out the stamp duty thingy, like the stamp paper or
Yeah,
something,
yeah.
right? The official paper. And I'm like, oh, okay, yeah, cool. Because they were like, we want to send you the advance, blah, blah, whatever. And then like the next day, I see the poster of the film out with another person's name. So now I find it funny, sorry.
Yeah.
But there are people like that. So weird, na?
My
We
God.
can't even think of things like that,
Yeah.
right? You know what I mean?
But like, yeah, that's very mean.
It's very
And,
mean.
Yeah. They could have just had a conversation if they
Yeah,
had to.
it's like
Yeah.
I've not been selected in every audition that I
Yeah.
gave anyway.
Yeah.
So like we as actors, we're very used to rejections. We're literally so thick-skinned,
Yeah.
because every rejection, if we just started getting like low, we would not survive it.
Do you now? Rejections?
No,
Nothing?
no. I would rather you tell me honestly that you didn't make the cut. That's it. It's okay. You can't crack every audition. Kamya, like, it's not
Of
possible.
course not, yeah.
But don't do this. Don't be like, we're just sending you the contract and we're just booking the tickets and we're sending you the advance and blah blah. And then there's like a poster release. Like the posters
And then when you reached out, was there a response?
I didn't reach out.
So how are you with confrontations? Do you confront people? Do you
Such people, no.
you let them be?
I'll let them be. People that I love and
But you don't feel the need for revenge or getting back or एक बार सुनाओ यार फोन करके गालियां दो मन का जो भी है निकालूं ऐसा नहीं आता
no, I did that only once, I think. One of these driving services, I had called for a cab from the airport, and it was a late night flight. I had a lot of luggage, so now I'm traveling alone. And I was supposed to take the car was supposed to go right clearly according to the maps shown in front of, and he took it straight. And it's 2 in the night. You don't do these things with a girl alone traveling at 2 in the night. And I'm like, either right tha, why did you take it straight? And he's like, no, maine dekha hi nahi, blah blah blah. So I was like, take a U-turn and do this. Now I started getting panicky and I started getting a little hyper, like, how could you do this? And he's going like really slow, and I'm getting frustrated. I'm like, the road is khali. Can you just go, and can you just like push it a little, like, you know? And then he got irritated. He parked the car on the highway on the side, got out of the car, removed the key, got out of the car and just like stood, and he was like, I'm not taking you anywhere, you want to go, you leave. I was like, you can't leave me at 2 in the night like that in the middle of the road, you have to take me home. He just stood there and he's like talking to somebody on the phone and he's not moving, and I'm like, what the hell? Finally I luckily found a auto. I stopped the auto, I took my luggage, kept it in the rickshaw and took the purse, and there was another phone that he'd kept in the car for the location. So he had 2 phones. एक पे वो बात कर रहा था, एक अंदर. So I took the phone inside and I threw it inside the khadi and I ran and I sat inside the auto and I told the auto wala guy, bhagao, 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 bhagao. And from that day, the next day, I tried to book a cab again. And I can't, and I just call the people like, why can't I book again? And they still tell me that I'm banned. I'm like, I am banned from the app? Yeah, because you threw our driver's phone. I was like, do you even know what your driver did? This is what it, and then they were like, you should have pressed the SOS button and you should have told us. I was like, what nonsense? You banning me? Like, and then they were like, okay, fine, we'll ban him also.
That takes some guts, seriously.
My parents, my friends flipped. They're like, 2 in the night, you're alone with your luggage and are you doing all this bakwas? And I think it was what adrenaline rush.
I can just visualize this thing.
Imagine, I threw it and it was like, baga, 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 baga. So much fun.
Biggest what if be? Chalo, I'll give you some scenarios, okay? What if you wake up one day and found out that you were invisible? What's the first thing you would do?
I think enter Mannat.
Okay.
Of course, Shah Rukh won't be able to tell.
Where in Mannat would you go first?
I don't know.
To SRK's room.
Yeah, I've never been to Mannat. I don't even
No?
know. I think there's a pool. I would like totally swim in the pool.
Okay, wow.
That's what I've heard. I would also go to Jalsa.
Okay.
Let's do that also. Let's also go to the Parliament.
What if you wake up as a Bollywood actress? Who would you choose and why?
I think Shabana Azmi ji.
Oh, okay. Good choice.
I've always loved her. I've loved her ever since I was a little girl, I feel like. One of the reasons I wanted to be an actor was because of like Shabana Azmi, Smita Patil, like after Earth basically.
Yeah.
So she's just my bigger inspiration to just be waking up as her.
Yeah.
I think, yeah.
What if you and Karan had to act in a romantic film together? What would be the title? The perfect title for the film.
Tejran or Laddu Sunny. Or I think like the haters would name it like Nibba Nibbi. What is Nibba Nibbi?
What is Nibba Nibbi?
Even I don't know.
Do you get that in your comments?
I think so. I think it's like, I don't know what it is, but I think it's a bad thing, right? I don't know. Is it?
Sounds cute, Nibba Nibbi. No?
That's what it sounds very cute. That's why I wanted to name it like right back at you. Like, please have the Shrikhanda.
Can't wait. It's nice and cold. Thanda thanda.
Yeah, because I wanted it to like.
Okay, Shrikhand to be eaten with.
Oh, it's actually not bad, huh? The consistency, I'm okay with that. It's not very watery.
It's not.
Yeah, it's fine. Okay, I'm happy now.
अच्छा और ये क्या है बताओ मुझे.
Gharge.
Gharge.
So gharge is basically like a puri, but it is bhoprache gharge. So it is kaddu in it. So even if you eat the gharge just as is, a lot of people eat gharge just as it is. But I like it with shrikhand. It's like a
so
meaty
good.
puri. It's like a meaty puri.
कद्दू से ये पूरी कैसे बन जाता है? इसमें कुछ आटा पड़ता है क्या होता है?
Yes. So it has kaddu.
Oh wow.
Right, the combination.
Yeah. This is my new favorite dessert.
Yeah, right.
What is it called again?
Gharge.
Gharge.
You'll find everything in my restaurant whenever I open it.
Done. Gharge and Srikhand. So I don't need to know the recipes. Now you need to start your restaurant very soon.
या आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर
मेरे मुंह में घारगे और श्रीखंड.
आपके मुंह में घारगे श्रीखंड. सो घारगे आइडियली आई ऑल्सो लाइक, कभी कभी पता है श्रीखंड, कभी कभी पता है जब पूरी फूलती नहीं है तो ऐसे पतली होती है, कड़क होती है, जो फूलती नहीं है वो,
हाँ.
वैसे वाले घारगे मुझे ज्यादा पसंद है.
अच्छा, जो फूलती नहीं है,
जो फूलती नहीं है,
क्रिस्प,
हाँ,
कड़क,
क्रिस्पी.
अच्छा.
हाँ. तो इसे मैंने मम्मी को बोला कि यार नहीं भी फूले तो भी चलेगा क्योंकि मुझे वैसे पसंद है.
बट ये बहुत अच्छा है. वाओ.
It's nice, actually nice. Take the pumpkin,
ओके.
remove the skin and the seeds, chop it, start cooking it. थोड़ा सा वो मेल्ट होने लग जाए, मतलब सॉफ्ट होने लग जाए, put a lot of good, a little bit of नमक.
ओके.
That's it. And then it'll be like a paste.
राइट.
वो पूरा pumpkin का भी ऐसे पाव भाजी जैसा पेस्ट हो गया होगा.
ओके.
उसमें सूजी डालो,
ओके.
चावल का आटा डालो
ओके.
और गेहूं का आटा, ये कर उसका आटा बना दो,
गूंदना है उसको,
गूंदना
और
है,
फिर वो,
हाँ.
हाँ.
और उसका डो बनाना है.
Right.
And nothing, and then just puri. It's pretty straightforward.
Amazing. And I'm telling you
See,
now.
Marathi meals na, the second you start coming towards the south, meals start getting simpler. The vegetables and all of that, they are the hero. Because when you're more into the north, it's all about the masala a lot more. Like it's more so like प्याज टमाटर का ग्रेवी और उसके अंदर थोड़ा सा सब्जी है. Like over here you'll see the dominant thing is what you're actually eating. Like if you're eating the suran, you're actually eating the suran.
Yeah.
Not like a प्याज टमाटर का तरी के अंदर थोड़ा थोड़ा suran.
Yeah.
So that's with everything. Like the second you start coming towards the south. You know what, my brother's coming from San Francisco, right? So he's coming
Yeah.
after 2 years. So I've told him I've made all of this for him.
Now, who are you tricking? Me or your brother? Please be honest. Is this for your brother? All this while, I thought this is for me.
You'll never know now.
I'll never
Now
know.
nobody will know. Nobody will know.
ये बहुत अच्छा है. Delicious. I loved everything that you cooked today. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Tejasvi, for this amazing meal. And every time now I look at masala bhat or ghargi puri, I'm going to think of you.
Thank you.
And when you said that, you know, food actually reminds you of people, the
Yeah.
smell and everything,
Yeah.
I think my senses are now going to think of you when I see a Maharashtrian meal.
Please, thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much. बहुत मजा आया.
Thank you. I'm so happy you're enjoying it. Thank
Yes,
you.
yes. मैं तो मैं 5-6 खाने वाली हूँ.
Please, there's so much. बहुत
Yeah,
मतलब
अच्छा.
तुम लोग भी टेस्ट करना.
ठीक है. Thank
है
you.
हमारे पास. हाय तुम्हा सर्वांना
गुढी पाडवाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
आम्ही तर भोपळ्याचे घारगे आणि श्रीखंड खातोय. तुम्ही पण काहीतरी असंच छान खा आणि साजरा करा.
और कमेंट्स में बताओ किस तरह से आप सेलिब्रेट करते हो गुड़ी पाड़वा.
But you actually liked everything, no?
I loved everything that you
I
made.
also liked it actually.
You
Taste
also
करके
liked
देखो.
it, हाँ.
हाँ सच्ची अच्छा है.
सच्ची अच्छा है. Look at me, I actually finished everything, pretty much.
No, we have to take more.
नहीं यार, बस वो मैं
Health.
हाँ सोचना पड़ता है थोड़ा बहुत तो.
हाँ क्योंकि आपको खाना भी बहुत होता है ना. Does it happen at times when you just don't like the food? कैमरा कट कर दो.
ये सब अनकट में. हाँ एक हमारा अनकट वर्जन है.
Hey, तो फिर you can't name them ना but.
हाँ चले अनकट. They are going to pay for this, so they can get the names also. This is membership.